Hi.
Naka-perman na ba daw ta?
Sa? Asa?
Ay!
Accomplishment.
Naka-perman ako sa accomplishment letter. Meron ako ng DTR. Pinasa ko na ng Friday.
Yan ako'y sweldo.
Actually, nakuha na naman sweldo kagahapon, guys.
Pila.
5,082.
Steve, yan, dali na, picture.
Okay, ready?
8 shots. 8 shots.
8 shots.
1.
2.
Dikit ha. 1, 2. Compress. Go.
Ay, di mo
Mag-igot.
di mo mauga.
Hi, guys.
Taas ka, Jom.
Jom, ikasya mo ang
Higher.
bunny.
May video.
Higher gani.
I-shot
Buo
mo
mo
ang
tingali ka,
bunny.
shots.
Higher, Jom.
Lutrig ka kaya na.
Manol. Lang.
Humot og ano?
Mataanan.
Humot og tawas.
Kasi,
Humot ang
pinagtatawanan mo kami.
Dili ang video mong katawan.
Okay,
wala ka, Vil.
Smile. Dili na po, oy. Maluod ko ron. Na, perfect.
Ping.
Hi, guys.
this is gonna be our video.
Before we go and sleep.
After our 18 shots of retrica shots, this is gonna be our video number 20.
26?
26
7.
rather.
Dagan na kayo.
We promise to give you a ultimate party, but then we decided to have a pajama party because we are so tired of the volleyball game earlier. We ang tawag niyan, nilampaso namin si Camille and then si Brian. 0 lang ang score nila. Alam niyo ba yan?
Naulaw me.
Kasi ang gagaling talaga namin.
Ano sa mo reaction, Brian?
Kami kaya ang nanalo.
Ha?
No, you're lying.
Loser ka.
You're such a loser.
Brian loser.
Louser.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Louser.
Ay, Charis Limpenko?
Dapat wala sa
Louser.
Louser. I just wanna run right through the rain.
Tawa na.
Kung makatawa ka, alag ka ron, sipa ka ron, bayhan ka.
Tawa na, Tim.
Sumoncho pila ron.
Tawa na, Jom. Bri, tawa na, Bri.
Wala lagi ito yung yung 181. Hi guys.
Hi guys. I'm going to get my blanket.
Blanket.
Ano mo? Klaro kayong balas mo.
Guys, sa gabing ito, ang kapabulakan na nangyari.
Bilugag na mo may mag-John Lloyd.
Coke mo.
This is it. This is really is it. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom out, zoom out.
Raider kayo ba?
Hindi ba kayo nagtaka kung saan kami? Our pajama party is in the at
Middle.
the beach. At the beach.
At Pakwan's Beach Resort.
Because we were outside because we discovered that the bahay kubo that we're living in has
Creepy creature.
yeah creator
Undefined
first
creatures.
reside on the area, and then we invaded yesterday night.
Yesterday.
Yeah, we have the party, and then I think the one who's living with it got
Igawas
mad,
itong speaker niya, dito.
and then
Ito ipasa video.
it
Hi,
it has a revenge on Camille. She almost died yesterday night.
This is our last
we decided
night.
to get out and sleep here outside.
I'm lucky because I am with them. Ang katabi ko po, siya po ako nakatapad ay pulos.
No, why pulos?
Subong
Spell
siya
why
pinabulong.
pulos.
Why pulos? Saan ni sa why pulos?
C-A-M-I-L-L-E.
Ha?
M-I.
M
C-A-M-I-L-L-E.
L L E.
Sami.
Kamil.
Sami.
Sama. Hello, loading na po.
Sorry.
FL.
Ay, sorry. Dili man. Good. Okay, okay. Ang nasa na